Hello, hello. Oh, okay. So, nandito na rin siya. Ah, okay. Ayun, there we go. Okay, okay. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday, guys. Maulang Saturday. How are you guys? I hope you're staying safe and dry today. Hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Rainy Saturday, guys. Rainy Saturday. Rainy Saturday. And it's very hard to ito. Let's see. Mm, mm, there's a question here. Previous boss filing me at barangay for mediation hearing. Workplace coercion, glitch and standoff, current harassment, uh, falsified affidavit of loss, plus lie under oath. Okay, lying under oath is perjury. Okay? Lying under oath is perjury. While yung workplace coercion, well, if it's a employer-employee relationship issue, then the best course is to file with DOLE, not with the barangay. Again, it will depend if ang ifa-file mo is related to your workplace or dun sa nangyari sa work, or is it because of a criminal case, ganyan, or criminal filing, criminal action, ganyan. So those two are different. Hello, Nico. Good afternoon, Nico. Pre-course. My pre-course? Ano yung pre-course? Pre-law course? If that's what you're referring to, pre-law course is business ad. Business ad. But again, any 4-year course will do. No? Any 4-year course will do. Mm, mm. Planning to proceed law. Uy! CPA na din. Mahirap ba? Well, lahat naman nagsisimula sa law school, regardless of your background, pre-law course, or uh, current job, no? Kahit manager ka na, vice president, manager, whatever, kahit ano man designation mo sa work mo, mahirapan ka pa rin. I mean, I have classmates na, especially nung working student na ako, ang dami kong kaklase na matatanda na, at least mas matanda sa akin, and mga established na sila. Like they're already professionals, maybe engineers, some are doctors, some are managers, vice president, executives. And lahat kami nahihirapan. Because it's a different ball game eh. So regardless of your background, you will still experience yung fatigue, overwhelm, lahat ng nafe-feel ng ordinary law student. But of course, if you're a CPA, you will have advantage dun sa tax, for example, kasi may tax ka na nung CPA mo. Like yung pre-law course mo CPA, and if you're already a practicing accountant, then mas madadalian ka. Okay? But if ang tanong mo is mahirap ba? Yes. Mahirap. Niniwala po ba kayo sa born criminal, sir? Anong born criminal? Like, we're born criminal? Born criminal? I mean, I think hindi. Parang ano yan eh. That's a question of whether we are born inherently evil or inherently good. No? That is parang it's a philosophical question eh. Parang are people born inherently evil or inherently good? In my perspective, people are before ano eh. People are born inherently good. Yan ang aking stand before. Again, it's very hard to ano, ang dami kasing aspect na pwedeng pag-usapan dyan eh, no? But to answer your question, kung legally speaking, people are not considered as criminals unless proven. Yun siguro. Parang the accused is presumed innocent until proven otherwise. Uy, Attorney Shan. Hello, Attorney Shan. How are you? Mana-mana. Well, I think environment is also a deciding factor on whether you will grow up evil or grow up good. Kasi if you're still a toddler, for example, natututo ka lang naman nung bata ka because you are copying those na nakapaligid sa'yo. So if your environment is full of, for example, bad people, edi magagaya mo siya. And sa tingin mo, it will be normal, but in reality, it's not. Same thing, vice versa. Mm, 202cc pang daily. Daily na, ano to, motor to, no? Okay naman. I mean, hindi ako nagmamotor kasi. And hindi ako marunong mag-manual pa, no? Paano ba yun? Hindi, marunong ako sa kotse, pero hindi ako marunong mag-manual sa motor. Pero I think mahirap yun kung heavy cc, kung daily mo. I mean, kung kaya mo, kasi nakapag-motor ako before, masakit siya sa likod eh. O baka dahil matanda na ako, hindi ko sure. NMAX daw ang maganda. Sabi ni Comatose. Ano to? Nagpasamon sila sa police pero wala silang ebidensya na napopost daw ako ng FB galing sa kanila. Ano po dapat i-counter sa kanila? I mean, if they don't have evidence, edi that's your counter. Diba? That's your counter. You need to counter mo. Wala silang evidence, but you need to present it in a way that is proper. That's why help of lawyers, assistance from lawyers is very, very recommended. Anong age nag-start ng law? After ko mag-college, nag-start na ako ng law ata. Oo. So, I'm not sure anong age, but yun ang aking status. Pag after college, na ako law school. BSIT pre-law. Yes, any 4-year course. Any 4-year course. Sabi ni Trops, tagapagtanggol ka po ng batas, pero bakit pag-ibig ko hindi niya pinaglaban? Mukhang nagsisenti si Trops, no? Porket maulan, no? Kamusta pala guys sa inyong mga lugar? Maulan ba ngayon, guys? Stay safe, guys, ha? Warrant from unknown number. Guys, if a court document, no, it should be documented like document talaga. Pag text message, most likely it's not legitimate. Gagraduate na po ako sa September pero feeling di para sa akin ang tech industry. Oh, okay. I mean, you still have time. You still have time. I mean, after graduate, sabihin natin gagraduate ka na, so congratulations, and then you want to venture into other industry, then feel free, di ba? It's not yet too late. It's never too late actually. Maulan daw, kila Sent. Ano to? Inordinate delay, ma-dismiss kaso ko. 2021 counter, 2023 resolution, 2026 file? I mean, I am assuming that you already have a lawyer, no? If you already, I mean, I'm not sure kung ano yung naging sitwasyon mo, but you can argue inordinate delay. Again, it will depend, guys. It very hard to assess based on that limited fact. But you can argue, of course. If you have a lawyer, better. You go and consult with your lawyer and ask that lawyer if there's already, you can argue that in your case. Ano kaya pwede kong ipamukha sa father kasi sabi niya wala naman daw pera sa business ad. Actually, this is a very sensitive topic, no? Yung about parents. We need to understand that our parents wants the best for us. Of course, hindi naman ibig sabihin nun, mag-agree sila sa lahat ng gusto mo. Because they have their own worldview. They have their own worldview, we have our own worldview. So we think this is right for us. They think this is right for us. Kasi they want the best for us. So, we don't really know if they are right or if we are right. But siguro ang batayan ko lang lagi dyan is if sila ang nagpapaaral sa'yo, sila ang nagsusupport sa'yo, then wala kang choice kundi sundin muna sila. Once you already, for example, you're already age of majority, 18 ka na, or up, 18 or up ka na, and you want to pursue whatever you want. Now, alis ka na dun sa poder nila, and then you try and build your own. Kasi wala na silang masasabi nun. You're trying to become your own man or woman, and then if you succeed, then good for you. If not, di wala na sila dun. No? Kumbaga, it's your own decisions na. So, siguro ganun ko lang siya naiisip kapag pagdating sa mga ganyan. Pero you need to understand that your parents want the best for you. 4 years pa din. BS Cream, yes. Pagkatapos mo ng college, 4 years ka ulit sa law school. Or more. Why prima facie rules of evidence now is hard to prove kahit overwhelming ang evidence? You can't really say that your evidence is overwhelming because it depends upon the judge. Okay? So, how can you say that the evidence is overwhelming? How can you say that your evidence is even admissible in the first place? That's why you need lawyers, guys. Because sa tingin mo, overwhelming ang evidence, pero sa tingin ng mga merong background sa law, walang kwenta evidence mo. Because we know what we are looking for. It's one of the things that you're paying for sa lawyer, yung ganong insights. So, that's why maybe you think that it's overwhelming, but maybe lawyers think or the judge think it's not overwhelming. I-explain naman yun sa decision. Pero I've talked to a lot of clients that they think that they have a lot of evidence, pero in reality wala naman. Like they all have this screenshot na ito ganyan, that they are arguing that ito kasalanan niya o kung bakit malakas ang case niya. But when I review it, majority of those evidence Na it's either di ko magagamit, it's either same lang ng degree of strength, 'di ba? Na parang iisa lang naman yung sinasabi ng lahat ng evidence mo, walang iba doon sa ibang aspect ng case niya. So that's why you need to consult first, okay? You need to consult with a lawyer first before you try and argue that your case is strong. And before you try and argue that you have a case to file in court. Because it really depends per case, it really depends on the evidence available, it really depends on the witnesses, factual circumstances, and even your legal basis. So, ang dami naming tinitest, ang dami naming ina-assess before we try and file a case in court. Hello po, may hearing po kami, small claims. Ano po mangyari? I am not sure because lawyers are not allowed in small claims cases. So I have not attended a small claims hearing. If I think ang nangyayari lang dyan, if I remember correctly, magka-clarify lang si judge. It's a summary hearing. No need ng lawyers. Actually, hindi nga kami pwede sa small claims, no? So, you just argue what you just tell the truth. Ngayon, kung naglalay ka or may tinatago ka, yun yung mahirap. Just tell the truth. Just tell what you are trying to tell sa court. O kung magkano utang niya, ano basis mo, yun. Admission of guilt. Admission of guilt, as the term implies, you are admitting that you're guilty. So, imbes na mag-argue ka na not guilty, sabi mo, hindi, guilty ako. So, inadmit mo yung guilt. Again, it depends on the context. Maybe you're trying to say na that particular argument is an admission of guilt, for example. So, daming pwedeng context kasi nun. Pero as the term implies, yun yung ibig sabihin nun. Mas madali, maging CPA attorney, own opinion lang po. Hindi kasi ako CPA, so I really have no idea if the CPA profession is hard. So I don't have a personal experience with that. Pero based on my classmates na CPA, they say na mas mahirap daw ang law. How much usual acceptance fee for private lawyers? It depends. Ideas, thoughts about large-scale stuff. I mean, anong thoughts? I have no thoughts, maybe. I mean, I don't know I don't understand the question. I'm sorry. Let's see. Kailan po applicable yung privacy ng tao kapag nasa public? Well, if you're in public, there is an expectation that you have no privacy. But again, it depends. For example, you're in public, may kausap ka, kayong dalawa lang nag-uusap in public. Of course, hindi pwedeng pakinggan yan. But for example, naglalakad ka in public, tas nakita ka in public ng isang tao, pwede niyang sabihin na nakita ka niya in public. Hindi violation ng privacy yon. Diba? Kasi nasa public ka lumabas ka ng bahay mo. Parang ganun. Public lawyers, private lawyers, both use the law. What is the difference? Public lawyers are government lawyers. That's it. Public lawyers, they're government hired. Private lawyers, they're not in the government. Yan lang yun. But all of us use the same law. Ito na. Magrarant daw si Helena. Nagluto ako ng malaking batch ng chicken sopas. Di ako sinamahan kumain ng friend. Haha. Nako. Yung friend ni Helena. Nako, nagtatampo na si Helena sa'yo. Pro bono case. Yes, from time to time. Probable cause, new ruling of DOJ na hindi na probable cause ang tinitingnan. It's not a ruling, it's a rule. Parang rules yun, hindi ruling. Magkaiba kasi yun. Pero yes, hindi na probable cause technically, no? It's if I remember correctly, prima facie with reasonable certainty of conviction. Yan ang bagong rule yan na ang bagong standard for preliminary investigation for criminal cases. Ano daw? Walang kontrata, nakapag-down payment na, gusto umurong ng seller, proof of payment, ayoko po pumayag. Yan yung mahirap, no? Doesn't mean wala kayong contract, doesn't mean na wala kayong agreement. Hindi naman kailangan na written ang lahat ng contract. Even a verbal contract is a valid contract. Rule 112. Yan ba yung PI? It's still applicable, guys. Pero since meron ng DOJ, may DOJ, anong tawag doon? Nakalimutan ko na kung anong tawag. NPS ba? You can read it online, no? But technically, I think it's also, question yan sa Supreme Court, yung DOJ ruling na yan. Yun nga sinasabi, na dapat Supreme Court lang ang pwede mag-amend ng rules. But the Supreme Court, I think, validated that power of DOJ. So, technically, parang inamend nila nga yung Rule 112. You can read it, you can fact check, guys. Don't believe anything I say, everything I say. Pero from what I recall, yun. Any tips po? 1L sa Monday and sabay sa review for boards ko siya. Oh, wow! So, I mean, I'm not sure why nag-law school ka habang nagre-review ka sa boards, pero you have your work cut out for you, ibig sabihin. You need to, kumbaga, double time ganyan. Mas mahirapan ka, pero I'm not sure if it's doable for sure. Mas mahirap lang. Ano daw? Mayroon po ba sa mga religious beliefs na support same-sex marriage? I don't know, pero sa Christian wala. Catholic wala, 'di ba? I'm not a religious person, pero yun nga, as far as I recall, walang same-sex marriage or religious belief na nagsusupport ng same-sex marriage. Gastos sa annulment, ilang taon nabutin. I think already made a video regarding that. Pero as to the timeline, it really depends. Usually it's 2 to 5 years. Depends on the case, depends on the docket of the court, depends on how many witnesses you have, it depends on a lot of factors. That's why tumatagal ang annulment, guys. And that's why matagal talaga siya. Kasi maraming process, maraming documents involved. Estafa. Need po ba may attorney kasama? During mediation, I still highly recommend that you have a lawyer. Guys, if you have a case, as a lawyer, I always recommend that you hire your lawyer. Kasi mas alam ng lawyer ko ano yung nangyayari sa case kaysa sa'yo. No? So, if you have the capacity, if you have the means, I still highly recommend that you hire your lawyer agad. Para sa simula pa lang, ma-advisean ka na ng lawyer mo ano yung dapat gawin, ano yung mga hindi dapat gawin sa court or sa case. How do you protect your rights, ganyan. Agree both sides magpa-annul, guys. Hindi pwede yun. Collusion yun. I mean, it's possible na maging collusion. I think there's a recent Supreme Court hearing that Supreme Court ruling that the agreement between parties is not considered collusion. But, para lang, just to maximize your chances, di ba? Kasi yun, Supreme Court, umabot ng Supreme Court yun because of that issue. No? So, hindi yan pwede na parang, it's not divorce, guys. Annulment, it's not like divorce. In abroad. In abroad, you can get divorced kahit agreement. Parang, okay, payag kami, maghiwalay na tayo, let's get a divorce, via agreement. Pwede yon. Dito sa Philippines, bawal yon. Hindi pwedeng magpirmahan na, okay, annul na tayo okay, done. File tayo sa court, pirmahan tayo na agree tayo both na annulled na, bawal yun. Okay, attorney, thanks for the info. Okay, you're welcome. No. Paksiliga. Ito na naman yung Paksiliga. I still have no personal knowledge regarding Paksiliga. I still don't know. I don't have an extensive knowledge kung ano yun. Based on what I read, it's like an AI hub ba? Like a parang data center hub, AI hub. Is that correct? And yung mga pro Paksiliga, of course, they are for pro development, ganyan. Yung mga anti Paksiliga is about the environment. I'm not sure kung yun ang arguments ng both sides. I still haven't read enough to form an opinion. Yun ang aking comment dyan. I still don't know enough to form an opinion. Ito, ito pag nilandi ako ng babaeng kasal at pinatulan ko, pwede ba ako kasuhan o siya lang? Siya naman nauna ng landi sa akin. I mean, pogi Pero, I mean, it depends. Guys, it depends on the case. Yan ang sasabihin ko. But it's possible na madamay ka. Depends on the case, but it's possible madamay. So, don't argue na attorney siya naman. So, sabi ko na nga, it depends, di ba? Okay. Guys, I don't entertain solicitation, no. I apologize. Boss, paano maging attorney? Saka malaki ba pera dyan? Sana matulungan mo, wala pang direksyon sa life. Well, if you just want to become an attorney because of money, then wag na lang. That's my opinion. And that's my recommendation to you. If you just want money, wag na lang attorney. Iba na lang. Mas madaming profession, mas madaming endeavor sa life na mas malaki ang kita kaysa sa attorney. No? But, if hindi lang yun, like for example, you want to check or you want to assess if lawyering is for you, you can go and try law school. Try 1 semester. And then after 1 semester, you will realize, actually, after 1 to 4 weeks, you will realize or discover whether being an attorney is good for you or not. Kasi it's very hard to pass law school. If you don't have deep enough purpose, it will be very hard. Napagalitan ka tuloy. Hindi naman napapagalitan, hindi ko siya pinapagalitan, guys. It's just an advice, no? Mahirap kasi, guys. I mean, you can still do whatever you want. It's just para lang may perspective ka. 'Di ba? Para may perspective yung mga gusto mag-law school is if whether law school is for them or not, 'di ba? Kasi you can't really you can't really know, for example, hindi naman talaga wala siyang direction sa life. It's okay, 'di ba? Lahat tayo nalo-lost. So, that's why my advice is whether number 1, you need to know what you want. If you don't know what you want kasi wala kang direction sa life, you can try first. Kasi you won't really know unless you try. Yun. Di ba? Pero yun nga, I'm just setting the expectations that if money lang, wag na lang. Kasi hindi worth it kung money lang. That's my advice. Oh, sabi ni Tired, first day in law school, resit agad at natawag ni judge. Haha, but it's fulfilling. Oh, see? So there are a lot of benefits from lawyering aside from monetary. Like, yun, the prestige of the profession. Of course, bragging rights, sabi nga ni Mark kanina, yes, it's included. Bragging rights, value, because you're helping, bawa naging lawyer ka na, and you help your clients, you help people, it feels good to help people in need. Kasi they don't know eh. They don't know how to navigate the legal landscape, di ba? Ikaw, you know. So you help them with their lives. And that feels good. So yun yung mga benefits ng lawyering na hindi monetary. Bawa yung tuwang-tuwa sila kasi nanalo sila or tuwang-tuwa sila kasi napagtanggol mo sila. Yun, ibang ano yun. Ibang benefit yun. For example, you want arguments. You want yung litigation. You enjoy arguing with opposing counsels, arguing before the judge. Lawyering is for you. Yun yung mga benefits na hindi monetary. Yaw ko na, bilis ng review subjects. Yes, kasi pag review subjects na, technically, ano na lang yan, pasada na lang. Pag yung client maraming evidence pero gusto mo pa din ipagtanggol, what do you mean? I mean, if marami siyang evidence, that's good. That's better for the client, di ba? Let's see. Claude, ayun, nawala. Claude can replace 90% of legal tasks. Well, I can argue that AI will not replace lawyers entirely, but they can automate a lot of boring work. Pero yung lawyering itself, very hard to replace because lawyering is parang relationship building, at least for now, and I don't see robots or AI representing clients in court. And guys, ang case, may nakasalalay na buhay dyan. So, will people trust bots enough with their lives? Yun kasi yung tanong dyan. Mahulan po ba dyan sa inyo, attorney? Yes, oo, mahulan. Sa inyo guys, kamusta ang weather dyan? Taking CPA licensure exam this October, sir. Wow, study hacks naman po. Hehe. Okay. Again, FYI, I'm not a model student when I was a law student or when I was a student before. Kasi ang aking study habit ay mag-cram. So, may pros and cons yan. Siyempre, pros, you study the day before, so matatandaan mo short term. Disadvantage, hindi mo siya mare-retain matagal. So, I don't know if I have a study hack for you because I am not a CPA. So, I don't know how to study CPA. I apologize, no? Hindi ko alam kung paano mag-aral ng accountancy kasi hindi ako naging accountant or hindi ako nag-accountancy. Pero siguro, if ever na ano ang applicable sa law na applicable sa lahat ng subjects, I think study habit na you need to be consistent in reading. Yun. So I don't have enough hacks for you, no? Mark, I apologize. Pax Hiliga, again, I don't have sufficient knowledge to form an opinion. That's my comment kasi I haven't read it extensively pa. Siguro kayo na lang, no? Educate me, guys. Why are you pro Pax Hiliga and why are you anti Pax Hiliga? Yun na lang para I know the arguments of both sides. Kasi I don't know enough to form an opinion regarding that. I haven't read enough materials because I'm not focusing on Pax Hiliga. I focus on my deliverables. So wala na akong time magbasa ng mga ganyan. So maybe you can educate me guys on why are you pro Pax Silica, why are you anti Pax Silica? Do you still defend your client kahit malaking evidence laban sa kanya? Yes. That's my job. My job is to defend my client. Because all people, regardless of whether you're an accused, you're a complainant, respondent, defendant, all of those people have rights. So you can always defend a person unless the judge already have a decision. Just wait till Pax Silica is built and doon na lang tayo magsisi in the end. Why? Bakit magsisisi Tyler? Can you educate us? I don't really know eh. I mean, it's a genuine question. Consult. You can message me, no? We can talk about it, guys. Paano po ba binili lupa? Kulang ang bayad. At nag-promise siya na babayaran. Well, the breach of contract. Better if you have a contract. Ang wastewater daw po ang problema ng Pax Silica kasi walang proper disposal daw po. Oo. Nakakasira daw ng sa environment ang Pax Silica. Oo, yun nga. Yun yung isa ko lang na nabasa na parang it's about environment versus growth. Parang environment concerns versus growth. Parang ganun, ano? Environment versus growth. Parang nakikita trending lang yung iba dyan sa Pax Silica kahit walang alam eh. I mean, yun na nga ako, wala din akong alam. That's why maybe you guys can educate me. So AI pala siya. AI hub ba siya? Tama ba? 110 million gallons na tubig ata nakita ko na i-consume ng Pax Silica per use. So it's about ano nga, it's about environment. Hi, attorney pa shoutout. Hello, shoutout kay Yusoft. Hello. Ito. Ano po misconception ng mga tao tungkol sa pagiging lawyer na hindi pala totoo? Misconception ng mga tao na hindi pala totoo. Siguro that most lawyers are intimidating. That's one of the misconception na lagi ko naririnig na very intimidating daw mga lawyers, hard to talk to. And I can argue and I can say otherwise. Hindi naman lahat kami ay intimidating. We're still human beings. Siguro yun, na para bang, ang tingin kasi mga tao sa lawyers, very prestigious nga because of the profession. No? Na parang, wow, lawyer yan, wow, ganito yan. So, very, parang nasa pedestal ka. But, always remember that lawyers are also human beings. Even judges. No? So, kung ano yung weaknesses mo sa human, weaknesses din namin yan. Lawyers, judges, lahat ng nasa profession. So, naiinis din kami, nalulungkot din kami, na minsan wala rin kami sa mood, minsan masaya kami, minsan nag-celebrate kami, minsan nagkakamali. We're not perfect, guys. So, that's why doesn't necessarily mean that we're lawyers automatic, we're robots, no? Siguro yun. Ito, hindi mapatawa ang lawyer. Bakit hindi? Siguro, kasi iba-iba eh. I mean, iba-iba ang lawyers, guys. Para, yun nga, sabi ko, di ba, human beings kami. So, iba-iba. Merong mga lawyers na mabait, may mga lawyers na masungit, may mga lawyers na intimidating, may mga lawyers na hindi intimidating. So, iba-iba. Parang ano yan, maraming flavors din. Di ba? We're also human beings. Ano yun? What happened? Thought process mga school na nag-use na ng AI. Guys, I am an advocate of AI. Okay? Kasi AI is a tool. Okay? Responsible use of AI. Yan ang aking advocate. You can use AI, but you need to use it responsibly. Because AI is a tool. You still need to be in control. Parang martilyo, 'di ba? Papabayaan mo ba yung martilyong pukpukin yung pako mag-isa? Hindi, ikaw mismo yung pupukpok. Ikaw mismo yung magda-direct dun sa martilyo kung paano siya pupukpukin yung pako. Pag patagilid ba, pag ganito, pag diretso, ganun lang. Ganun din sa AI, 'di ba? Hindi pwedeng AI ang masusunod. Hindi pwedeng siya yung magli-lead sa'yo. Ikaw ang magli-lead sa AI. Ganun lang 'yun. So that's my advocate. That's my advocacy. I advocate for that. Ikaw po ba, Tern? Saan ka doon? Mabait or masungit? Mabait naman ako. Mukha lang ako masungit in person siguro. Sabi meron akong before na viewer na nakita daw ako somewhere, hindi daw, akala daw niya masungit. Parang, guys, if makita niyo ako, you can say hi, di ba? Makikipagkwentuhan naman ako. No problem. Minsan seryoso lang ako kasi maybe naka-lawyer mode ako or may iniisip ako or meron akong ginagawa na serious na. Attorney GL, yan na naman. Paano to, attorney? Di na kaya ng kape. Anong di na kaya ng kape? Ano to? TV series ni Coco Martin. Meron ng ganon? Gumagamit na halos ng AI. Meron? Paano gumamit ng AI? Magkano po usually 1987 Consti Codal and textbook? I am not sure na. Pero I think Codals are in 700, 800. I'm not sure if mas mahal na. Baka thousands na, hindi ko sure. Pero baka yun. Mahirap po ba law school? Yes. Up attorney, tinitik ko ngayon now, Oblicon. Uy! Good luck ha. Good luck sa Oblicon. Pre-law course. My pre-law course is business ad. Magkano sahod ng isang attorney? Depends on what kind of attorney, no? Kasi, for example, you're a government attorney, a public lawyer, so, sweldo ka, meron niyang yung tier, job grade sa government. So, if you're a private lawyer, depends on the firm. Halimbawa, nasa law firm ka, or you're in a corporation, business, or in a organization, no? Are you an in-house counsel? Are you a litigation lawyer? So, it depends. Ang dami kasing types of lawyers. And makakapamili ka lang once you become a lawyer. Gusto ko kasi makasabay sa mga laws na sinasabi sa impeachment. Okay, anong book na need ko bilhin in terms of constitution? I mean, hindi kailangan ng book. Meron yung online, 1987 Constitution. It's free. If you want to read more, siguro, and you want to understand Constitution more, you can read the book of Father Bernas. Pero pang law student yun. So, I'm not sure if maintindihan mo. But, you can read the 1987 Constitution online. It's free. No need to buy. Pero if you want to buy, codal provision yun. Ba, you want a book para hindi online, ganyan. So, you can buy sa mga law bookstores, like Rex Bookstore, Central Bookstore, yan. Parang teacher 1 to master teacher pag public attorney. Yun, parang may ganun, na parang it depends on saan ka government assigned. Halimbawa, nasa House of Representatives ka, so ano yung designation mo, it depende. Halimbawa, nasa Supreme Court ka, so pwede kang court attorney, ganyan. Court attorney 1 hanggang court attorney 5. If you're in the, halimbawa, PAO, so public attorney 1, public attorney 2 hanggang 5, ganyan. Straightforward, yes. Mas lumala, doubt ko. I mean, sige. It's hard, of course. Sabi mo kasi, tanong mo, mahirap ba? Yes. Pero you need to know, you need to reframe it that whatever you do in life that is worthwhile, it will be hard. Okay? Walang easy na worthwhile. If you want to achieve something, if you want to be successful, it will be hard. Regardless, hindi kailangan na law school, hindi kailangan na lawyer ka. But you want to be successful in business, it will be very hard. You want to be successful in your marriage, it will be very hard. You want to be a lawyer, it will be hard. You want to be a doctor, it will be hard. So walang easy, guys. So you just need to, if you want to achieve something, if you want to be someone, kung ano man yung gusto mong version ng sarili mo, you just need to know what you want and accept that it's hard. Lahat tayo mahirapan. Hanggang ngayon, nahihirapan ako sa pagiging lawyer. It never gets easier. Parang as long as you are alive, you will have problems. And that's okay. It's part of life. The fact that you are having problems means that you're alive. Thank you, GL, no? So, good luck sa'yo, no? And huwag kang panghina, lahat tayo nahirapan, lahat kami nahirapan, lahat ng law student, kung may mga law students dito, nahihirapan, lahat ng lawyers nahihirapan. Never gets easier, lahat mag-aaral pa din, so we're all in this together, guys. Thank you, Rod. Mahal po ba mag-law attorney? It depends on the school, pero I think yes. May mga law school na nagpapa-scholarship, pero I think dapat you are Latin honor yung college, and then you need to maintain that scholarship. May mga grades yan, of course, usual, diba? Gaano katagal yung pag-aaral mo before maging lawyer? After you graduate law, after you graduate college, you need 4 years of law school minimum. Ilang hearing kailangan di umattend complaint bago ma-dismiss yung case? Depends on the case. Attorney, sa sistema natin ngayon, para lang ba sa mayayaman ng hustisya sa Pilipinas? Actually, if you really think about it, yes. For now, how the system works right now, since it's very hard to get a good legal representation without paying. Kumbaga, because syempre, lawyers are also human beings. We're also working, di ba? Kailangan din namin kumain, parang ganun. So, and sobrang konti ng lawyers compared sa tao sa Philippines. I think for context, overall na naging lawyer so far, nasa 90K. Simula yun. So, I'm not sure ilan pa yung buhay doon. So, sabihin natin 90K versus ilan ang tao sa Pilipinas. Diba? So, to be fair, yes. Parang yun ang answer dyan. So, it's the government's job to make sure that it's not the hindi yun yung mangyayari. Oral defamation. It's a criminal case. O yun. If you already have a lawyer, then I highly suggest you consult with that lawyer, considering that you already filed the case. Pero if you don't have a lawyer, then I highly suggest you get a lawyer first. Kasi that lawyer will need to review your case so that that lawyer can properly advise you on what you need to do. Fit all charge sa kuryente, tayo ang mga consumer ang magbabayad. Well, syempre, hindi magpapalugi ang business. That's my comment. Unfortunately, no? Pagtatanggol nyo po ang client kahit alam nyo pong mali na ito, unless there is a court order stating that that client or that person committed something wrongful or illegal, that person still have a right. So all persons have rights. It will become final only once a judge says otherwise. Kaya nga ang presumption is you are presumed innocent until proven otherwise. Specifically in criminal law. Pero kung hindi criminal law, then it will depend on the case. And all persons, regardless of a case, regardless is whether it's criminal case, civil case, special proceedings, special civil actions, no? Any kind of case, may rights ang tao dyan. Both parties may rights yan. That's why mayroon kaming trabaho. That's why may nire-represent kaming mga sides. Kasi kung wala nang rights ang taong yun, ano pang silbi ng lawyer? Because yun nga ang job ng batas. Be unbiased. So ikaw, sa tingin mo, guilty yung client mo o may ginawang mali yung client mo, it's not your job to judge as a lawyer. Ang may trabaho nun ay yung judge. Ikaw, as a lawyer, kailangan mo lang ensure na yung kliyente o yung taong yun hindi ma-violate yung rights niya. Yan lang yun. After ma-arrest sa akusado, meron pang hearing. Yes. O yan, sabi ni PM320. It's like, as a doctor, kapag ba alam mong kriminal, gagamutin pa rin ba? May sinumpaan po sila. Yes, exactly. Hello, Art. Hello. Let's see. Article 3, Section 14.2. Ano yun? Hello, Maniga. Hello. How are you? Possible ba may nag-file ng complaint sa'yo, not you knowing it? It's possible, but it's a violation of due process. So, you can argue that. Wow, may nag-complaint, hindi mo na-receive or something. So, hindi yun nagpa-follow sa procedure kasi dapat notified ka lagi. If there is a complaint against you, there is a procedure for that. So, yan. Procedure na naman, di ba? So, hindi nyo na yan mahirapan na yun. Procedure na yan. AUSL pa lang, loading na kayo. Nako, sino na naman kaya ito? Hello, no? Kung sino ka man, kung tropa man kita or ano. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. PM 320. Hello, Alvin. Good morning. Or ano, morning pa ba? Good afternoon, good morning, no? Pax Silica. Again, guys, I still don't have sufficient knowledge to form an opinion. That's my comment. That's my opinion. Ang alam ko lang sa Pax Silica is there are two sides. One side pro because they want growth or something, or the Philippines, ganyan, AI something. Anti-Pax Silica is because there will be severe consequences for the environment. So, yun naman ang laging... Correct me if I'm wrong. Again, I don't have sufficient knowledge, guys. I still haven't read too much regarding this. Life is always morning daw, attorney. Oh, I see. That's a very good ano. Sinabihan ka na mag-resign at bobo ako. Sa harap ng mga ka-work ko, may laban po ba? Yes. If you can prove it. So, I suggest you go and talk to a lawyer already. No? On how you can prove that. Ilang hearing bago mo dismiss? It will, again, sabi ko nga, it will depend. Depends on the case, depends on the prosecutor, depends on kung nasa judge na, depends on the hearing. What kind of hearing? Are you in mediation? Are you in preliminary investigation? See, I still have a lot of questions, guys. Okay lang ba di magbayad ng penalty sa credit card? Pag hindi ka nagbayad, magka-accumulate yan. Yun. Latest code na pwedeng bilhin for civil. Ano civil? Civil law? Civil code? Ewan ko kung may updated civil code, pero you can ask the bookstore. So if you want to buy a book regarding law, whatever that book may be, you can go to bookstores like about Rex or Central Bookstore. Not sponsored, by the way. Baka naman. Charot. Pero, you can go there. So you can ask. Hello po. Hello, Shanter. Hello. Let's see. Wait lang. Nawawala iba eh. What can you advise a grade 12 student that's planning to take the law? My advice to you, if you're still in grade 12, is to enjoy your grade 12 college days. That's my advice. Huwag mo siyang masyadong isipin yung law because matagal pa yan. So, advice ko sa'yo, number 1, you need to enjoy the journey. Enjoy your grade 12 years, enjoy your college years, and pick the course that you like. That's number 1. Number 2 is to build study habits as early as now. So if you want to be successful not just in law, but in your college or grade 12, mag-aral ka ng mabuti. And how can you study properly? You need a habit. You need structure sa pag-aaral mo. You need to know yourself. How do you learn? Do you learn verbally? Yung ano ba yan? Yung orally, yung kailangan ba naririnig mo siya? Auditory pala? Kailangan ba sinusulat mo siya? Kailangan ba visual? So what kind of learner are you? You need to know that. And then find ways or structure your study habits on that. Kasi it will carry over until college, until law school, no? If you have that kind of habit and consistency. So yun lang, wag mo na isipin masyado yung law, enjoy your college days, and enjoy your current grade 12 days, and then study properly. Sino to? Anong sino to? Attorney lawyer the same? In the Philippines, yes. In other countries, no. Attorney, litigator ka ba? Panggap lang marunong sa practice kaya tamang turo dito sa TikTok. I'm not a full-on litigator, like in criminal law, no? But I practice family, business law, and property. Thank you for asking. Pwede ba mag-motion to dismiss pag nasa trial na tapos yung CFA ni-release ay wala sa due process? Depends on the case. You can argue that there is no due process, so yung CFA technically is invalid. So, walang condition precedent. Kasi condition precedent yung CFA to file certain cases. Ano po gagawin ng lawyer? Need pa na sa court? Ano yun? I don't understand. Teka lang medyo dumami yung Laceration, lumabas sa medical legal, pero di po ang accused ang gumawa. If you want to file a case regarding about ito, I'm assuming it's a rape case or sexual assault or like assault cases. I suggest you go and talk to a lawyer already on how your case can be structured. Mm, pwede nakasuhan yung mga nagbubully, have evidences to prove it. You can. Depends on what kind of case you want to file. Gagawin pag nakabuntis ng aso. I'm not sure. I'm not sure sa'yo kung anong gagawin. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin noon, pero... Oy, 3019. Hello. Kamusta? Mantitrip ka na naman dito, ah. Paano na-appoint ang isang RTC judge? Ina-appoint siya... I'm not sure about the exact process. Pero ang Supreme Court ay, if I remember correctly, Supreme Court namimili ng judges. It's either Supreme Court or President. I don't remember. Favorite law subject before? Favorite kong law subject before is criminal law kasi na-visualize ko siya. Yun lang. Pero it doesn't mean na magaling ako doon. Ano? Pwede ba arrestuin ng classmate mo nagnakaw ng bahay ko? Paano niya nanakaw yung bahay mo? Nagnakaw ng panty. Pwede. Wala namang problema. Theft is theft regardless of the object. Kahit nga lapis eh. Attorney with respect, but mahilig mag-live mga new lawyers? Ano pa guidelines niyan? I'm not sure. There are no guidelines. I mean, maybe most lawyers just live because they want to. Nagtuturo po kayo, attorney? Nope, not yet. Mutual decision. Guys, annulment, di pwedeng mutual decision. I mean, bawal ang collusion, and although there's already a Supreme Court decision regarding mutual, or like yung mutual agreement, technically it's not a collusion per se, but just to be sure, bawal ang collusion pagdating sa annulment. Unlike divorce, about in abroad, you can go and have an agreement na okay, divorce na tayo, ayaw na natin both, so let's agree to end the marriage. Walang ganun dito sa Philippines. You need to prove. Uy, hello. Rolly, hello. Magkasama kayo? O nagbabasketball kayo, ah? May bayad po ba sa correction ng middle name? Kulang sa akin ng 2 letra. It can be argued that it is an administrative, like clerical error. Pero kung 2 letter, I think parang hindi naman siya substantial pa. You can ask your civil registrar. Congratulations, Miriam. Yes, I know her. Congrats kamo. Regards sa mag-asawa. And enjoy, enjoy. Ilang years ang juris? Juris doctor, 4 years usually. Hello, thank you, Creed. Hello. Ayan, so 4 years guys, juris doctor. After college yun After college, hindi after senior high. Hindi after senior high. Any motivation po, bala ko po kasi mag-law. I'm not sure if I'm the person you want to ask for motivation. But kasi ang lagi kong advice dyan is you need to know what you want. Like, I cannot give you motivation because I don't know you. 'Di ba? I can't give you motivation because I don't know you. What you want to do in life, 'di ba? Who you are. So only you can answer that. What do you want? What's your purpose? Why do you want to go to law school? Because yan ang panghawakan mo once you're already in law school. No? Ano yan? Asan mo yung yellow basket? Di ako nagbebenta ng brief dito, guys. Pero, pero next time, baka, no? Akala ko afterlife. Ano afterlife? Kasi nag-post sa akin, paninira, hindi naman totoo. Yes. Possible. Okay? Possible if you can prove it. Ano po ba need to waive a right? Depends on the context. Pero technically, you're waiving your right if you don't exercise it. Yun na lang. So, ba may right ka, hindi mo, ayaw mong, alam mong may right ka, under law, pero ayaw mo nang gawin yun kasi hassle or for whatever reason. So, you're waiving your right. You're waiving your right to exercise that right. Very complex pero yun. I hope naintindihan nyo, no? Trafalgar Law. Ito talaga si Egump Zone, no? Hindi batas yan. Pero hindi ako nanonood ng One Piece. Kasi ang tagal na eh. Parang ano eh. Hindi ko na siya nasimulan tapos sobrang dami ng episode. So alam ko lang siya pero hindi ko siya napapanood. No to Paxilica porket hindi sila nagsisiligo, mag-yes sila. Oh. So yun nga, isa Paxilica about water daw, no? Yun sinasabi. Ano yung ALR? I chose BSBA Law Management at SSCR. Is it ALR? What's ALR? Dole, walang pinapirman new job contract. I mean, for employer-employee relationship issues, you can file a Dole case, pero doesn't necessarily mean that you have a case. Naintindihan ko po. Yon, good, very good. Thank you. Thank you for your validation, no? Hello, attorney. Is it okay to rely on digest? Super limited time to read the full text. You can rely, but I don't recommend. I still, ambawa, kulang ka na sa oras, of course, syempre, wala ka ng time. Wala ka ng choice kundi mag-digest na lang, mag-read ka na lang digest, maybe doctrines na lang. But after that, you need to read the full text. After recitation, after class, you need to read. Still need to read. Or make your own digest. That's better. Kamukha mo po si Agent Kim. Sino yun? My school doesn't offer the course I want, so I chose BSBA Legma. Is it all right? All right as what? If that's what, I mean, do you want BSBA Legma? Kasi yun nga, my advice always is pick the course you like first. My undergrad BS Business Ad. That's my undergrad. Ito. Arco Pinoy Store. Hello. Okay, so what time is it? It's 1:58. Okay. So, let's see. After creating your own case digest, Do you recommend relying on it or full plus CD? Okay. I'm assuming that once you already have your case digest, it means that you already read the full text. So, if meron ka ng case digest at nabasa mo na yung full text, then you can rely on your own case digest already. Anong case po wino-work nyo ngayon, attorney? I can't divulge my cases because it's confidential. Okay, guys? Attorney, mag-sound trip ka naman. Nabobore na ata si Prima Facie, no? Live photo, yes. Russell Law student from CUP College. Hello! Hello, Russell. Nakakayak po ang criminal law. Yes. I mean, lahat naman ng subjects, nakakaiyak. Depende na lang kung ano yung tendencies mo, whether you are good in criminal law, in civil law, what you prefer in studying. So, pero yes, madugo ang criminal law kasi maraming kinakabisado. Especially criminal law 2. Book 2. Yes, I did read the full text already. Incoming 1L po. Okay, good luck. Good luck sa'yo. Hello, Ninang JC. Sa laban, postura tayo ngayon. Wala naman laban, saradong courts ngayon, guys. Legma SSCR. I don't know SSCR, pero kahit anong 4-year course, guys. Ano mas nataas, boss? NBI or FBI? Guys, iisa lang yun. FBI is nasa US. NBI ang FBI dito. Parang ganun. Paano ko pa nagme-memorize ng mga cases? Hindi ko siya memorize. I just read the full text or I just read the case. I just read the case and then afterwards, I just remember the doctrine. Legal change ng name dahil trans man na. No. Ano yan? Nakalimutan ko na yung counterpart case ni Kagandahan. Pero yung sa isa, pinayagan siya mag-change of name. Yung sa Republic vs. Kagandahan, pinayagan siya mag-change of name kasi meron siyang parang genetic disorder na pwede siyang female or male. Pero if you just want to become a male because you're a trans man, then I think hindi pa pwede. Hindi ka pa papayagan ni court. Ano po yung doctrine? Doctrine yan yung parang pinaka point nung case, no? Parang yan yung highlight nung case na parang sa kung ano yun yung parang ano ba? Main point ng case. To put it simply, very hard to simplify, no? Pero that's the meaning of doctrine. Yan yung main point niya. Anong main point ng kaso na yan? Yun yung doctrine niya. May pinagkaiba po ba criminal sa penal law? I think wala. It's both. Let's see. Pre-law, my pre-law is business ad. Balak mag-enroll sa law school. Like mga preparations po ganun. I mean, based on experience, wala naman. Na parang, you can study yung may mga entrance exam kasi yan. Yung mga law school. So, you can prepare for those, but it's not required naman. 1L po ba kayo? Normal po ba na it takes 5 and up reading before understanding it? Yes. It's normal. It takes a lot of reading for you to understand something when you're first starting out. Is the Philippine law broken? What do you mean? I mean, I'm not a legislator I'm not in with the legislature. So I don't know if the Philippine law is broken. I don't make laws. Um, so I don't know how to answer that. I mean, as lawyers only implement the law. We only apply the law. We only try to use the law. We don't question it. It's not our jobs as lawyers. It's the job of the legislature. Trabaho yan ng Congress to make laws. Kongreso ang may trabaho nun. Juridical. Ano yung juridical? Okay, so it's 2:05, guys. So maybe we can answer one or two more questions before we end the live. Okay, let me see if meron pang ano dito. Receive NTE, refuse to go to work due to weather. It depends if they have valid basis. Hi, attorney. Good PM. Hello, Domingo. Okay. Birth cert error na male nakalagay, biological female. Well, you can prove it. So, technically, binabalik mo lang. Binabalik mo lang sa true gender mo. So, again, please consult with your lawyer. Okay? So, guys, I apologize if I was not able to answer all questions. Pero, since it's already 2 p.m., I need to go. And maraming salamat sa mga nag-join, sa mga nagtanong, sa mga nakapagkwentuhan sa atin today. If you enjoyed the live, feel free to follow me. It's right around here. And you can comment on my videos as well whenever you have suggestions or recommendations for me so that I can make videos for them. I like them for you. Okay? So guys, maraming salamat and stay safe. Okay, Mahulan? Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.